Welcome to 885 Major Cemetery Road, a place where luxury meets the peaceful tranquility of lakeside living. Nestled in the charming town of Lynchburg, Tennessee, known to many as the home of the Jack Daniel's Distillery, this brand new home is ready for you. Step inside this stunning 2,300 square foot residence and discover a spacious, open-concept living area. The heart of the home features a beautiful stacked stone hearth with an electric fireplace, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Towering 9-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors flood the space with natural light. The gourmet kitchen is a true chef's dream, centered around a huge 8-foot island with elegant granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and a stylish subway tile backsplash complete the space, making it perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. The main level also includes 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The luxurious primary suite is a true sanctuary, featuring an elegant tray ceiling with beautiful wood accents. The spa-like ensuite bathroom invites you to relax with a deep soaking tub, a dual sink vanity, and a tiled walk-in shower with glass doors. A large walk-in closet with custom built-ins provides the perfect finishing touch. Upstairs, you'll find an expansive bonus room. With its own full bathroom and stand-up shower. This versatile space can serve as a guest suite, a home office, or the ultimate recreational room. Outside, year-round views of the expansive Tims Ford Lake await. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail on the covered front or back porch, taking in the serene surroundings. The gentle slope of the lot allows for a custom trail down to the water, giving you direct access for all your boating adventures. This home offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of Tennessee's most prominent locations. Don't miss out on this exceptional lakefront property.